centered around reasonableness, and we see this bicycle as being purchased by the individuals who need an affair, a bicycle that will last them numerous years. Be that as it might, some may at present be asking why Suzuki chose not to punch out the GSX 250R's parallel twin to 300cc. The GSX 250R may look somewhat like its bigger GSX-R cousins, yet the bicycle draws its greatest motivation from the Katana genealogy, mixing rideability with unwavering quality. This idea, Suzuki trusts, will persuade new proprietors to clutch their bicycles for a more extended time frame, rather than being in a race to supplant them. This likewise clarifies the GSX some portion of the name, as the Katana line highlighted a similar assignment. It's as yet insufficient, in any case, to influence me to believe that calling the bicycle a GSX R250 would have been inconvenient, as the more unmistakable name may have gotten considerably more